Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing safety. Inspect cables, pins, and pulleys for smooth travel. Once done, set seat and backrest so joints track naturally, knees over toes, shoulders aligned. Next, load weight with controlled increments. Make a test lift to confirm path and pin engagement. Do 1-2 warm-up sets to groove the movement, practice your breathing, and mentally rehearse the rep. This saves time and prevents injury. Now you're ready to move into full execution. You perform the work with intent. Set a tempo, 2 to 3 seconds up, 2 to 3 seconds down, and keep tension through the full range. Once you initiate the rep, lock scapulae and brace your core. This stabilizes the joint and makes the machine do the correct work. Make controlled adjustments between sets. If form holds for 2 sessions, add small weight increments. Also, vary grip, foot placement, or seat height to target muscles differently, and you end the session by racking pins, clearing plates, and logging load and reps so progress is trackable. Then, cool down with mobility drills and 3 to 5 minutes of light movement to flush metabolites. If you feel sharp pain, joint wobble, or abnormal noise, stop immediately. Reduce weight by 20 to 50%, recheck seat and alignment, and test 1 rep. Make sure to ask staff or a trainer if the issue persists. Don't push through pain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.